Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2015 Ford Fiesta, stock number 6921. It's ran from the 5th 2013 to the 12th 2019. Has a WZ 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a WZ 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, light sun cracks, right front door 1 dent, right hand guard, right hand headlight, right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, front bonnet no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,